Hello, my name is Áine Greaney, and I live here in Massachusetts where I write and work. At our May 2026 SOME Docs Writers Conference, I'm very excited to be leading a workshop called Why, Where, and How to Set Up and Lead an Expressive Writing Program. This may be as part of your organization's employee development, or it could be at a patient education center, or it could be out there in the community within your service area. The workshop may be virtual or in person. Our workshop will have three basic parts. First, we'll look at the research that supports writing as a self-care and wellness tool. Next, we'll look at those practical planning details, such as choosing the time of year, the time of week, time of day, how to evaluate your colleagues' interest, and how to get the word out by marketing. And finally, we'll discuss the best practice approaches to leading a standalone workshop or a workshop series, and how to make every single attendee feel welcome, included, and empowered to practice or revisit their writing and storytelling voices.